Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I'll also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I'll be sharing my investment journey of stocks and crypto with you guys as well. In today's video, we'll be having a look at my dividend income, how much I'm receiving from my monthly paying dividends and how much I'm receiving from my quarterly paying dividends. And if you are not with Trading 212 but you are interested, I'll leave my link in the description below where you can get your first free share. And make sure if you are in the UK to open an ISA account, because an ISA account means it's tax free and all the dividend payments you will receive on your ISA account is tax free. So you don't have to pay any taxes on it, and you can invest up to £20,000 per year into an ISA account. So let's dive straight into my dividends. So having a look at my dividends for the month of August, you will see I received a lot of dividends on my monthly paying dividends, and I also received 2 dividends on my quarterly paying stocks. And that gave me a total of £25.86. And this is great growth for me, considering last year this time I received my first payment in dividends. As you can see, I only received £1.80, and a year on from that, I'm at £25.86, which is really great growth. So I'm not personally sure how much growth rate that is for 1 year's worth of growth, but I'm really happy to go from £1.80 in 1 year to £25.86. That is an extra £24.06 I am receiving extra every single month. And it's still going to keep on growing as I'm still going to keep on investing every single month into more dividend paying companies. And I'm really happy with the growth so far. And it just motivates me to keep on going every single month. So let's go and have a look at my monthly paying dividend stocks. First off, we've got Realty Income. I own 10 shares. I received £1.46. Next up, we've got LTC Properties, which I own 22 shares of, and I received £2.32. And next is Stag Industrial. I own 15 shares and I received £1.13. Then we've got Main Street Capital. I own 12 shares and I received £1.51. Then we've got Pembina Pipeline. I own 18 shares and I received £1.86. Then we've got Gladstone Commercial Corporation. I own 13 shares and I received £1. AMGC Investment Corporation. I own 20 shares and I received £1.48. Agree Realty Corporation. I own 9 shares. I received £1.07. Then we've got Whitestone REIT. I own 10 shares and I received 22 pence. That gives me a total of £12.05, which I will be receiving every single month. My total investment so far for this year is £2,031.19 into my monthly paying dividend stocks. So this month I bought 2 more shares of LTC Properties on the 9th of July at a cost of £51.30. I also bought 1 more share of Agree Realty Corporation on the 9th of July at a cost of £53.79. That means I invested £105.09 extra into my monthly paying dividend stock. And so far for this year I received £62.19 for my monthly paying dividend stocks. If you would love to get great deals, check out my deals page. You can also get your first free share by joining me on Trading 212 through my link. If you would like to find out more about the companies that I have invested in, I'll leave all my links in the description below where I go into more detail about these companies and do my stock analysis for them. So having a look at my quarterly paying dividend stocks. For the month of August, AT&T, I own 23 shares and they paid out £7.30. Enterprise Product Partners, I own 20 shares and they paid out £6.51. And that gives me a total of £13.81. And so far for this year, I received £60.11 in dividends from my quarterly paying stocks. If we have a look at what did I buy more of this month, PPL Corporation, I bought 3 shares on the 9th of July at a cost of 62.78. ExxonMobil, I bought 1 more share on the 9th of July at a cost of £41.56. IBM, I bought 1 more share on the 9th of July at a cost of £102.13. That means I invested £206.47 into my quarterly paying dividend stocks for the month of August.
If you're getting value so far, please smash the like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support a lot. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos.
So having a look at my growth stocks, I bought 2 more shares of Workhorse on the 9th of July at a cost of £14.85 to bring down my costing average. I also bought 20 more shares on the 9th of July at a cost of £30.78 to bring down my costing average as well. That means I invested another £45.63. If you have a look at my growth stocks, you will see I'm down on Workhorse, I am up on Rolls-Royce, I'm down on QuantumScape, I am up on Cirrus Corporation, I'm finally up on Tesla as well. IZEA Worldwide, I'm still down. And Dimension Mines, I'm up. That gives me overall a minus £46.89 for the month of August. But as you have seen over the last month, it has gone from plus 200 to minus 150. And that is just the stock market. If you are happy with the companies you are holding on to, you don't mind going through the dips, because that just means it's time for you to bring down your costing average, so that when they do go up, you actually make a lot more profit. And then if you guys remember, I've got my free shares down here. First off, I've got Bionanogenomics, which I still own 7 shares of, and that is a profit of £29.61, as I have no more investment into this company. Everything that's invested into this company is pure profit. Then I've got Virgin Galactic, which I still own 10 shares of. That gives me a profit of £160.98. And that's also pure profit, as I have removed my initial investment with a £15 profit on that as well. So if you add my free shares in with all my investments in my growth stocks, that still gives me a plus of £179.70. If you have a look at it this way, if I sell all my growth stocks today, at the current price, I still make a profit of £179.70, as the market will fluctuate and all the companies won't always be in the green at the same time. So my way of looking at this is that my overall gains for all my growth stocks is in a plus, as making gains is my main motivation for buying these stocks in the long run. So as long as I keep going up overall, that still means I'm still making money, even though some of the companies are at a loss at the moment. They will be up again at some point later in the future, and I will make sure that I get my free shares in the long run out of all of these companies.
I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.